Hello, I'm in a 2015 Jeep Wrangler, and today I'm going to show you to use the front and rear defrost controls. So up here is where you can turn on your defrost settings. So if we push this all the way over to here or here, this symbol is your front defrost. So this one also blows air on your feet, whereas this just blows air on the windshield up here. So right now this is fully controlled by your fan, so you can turn it higher or lower, adjust it from cold to hot. Even if you have it all the way hot, you still may want this AC turned on, because that AC can pull moisture out of the air, which will help keep it from fogging up. But when you're finished with this, you can either turn the fan all the way off, or you can adjust this to a different setting. And then for your rear defrost, you just push this, and now the rear is activated. And if you can see in the glass, maybe not, but there's some black lines that run through there. Those are a heating mechanism. So when this is activated, those black lines are turned on, which will start working to melt any ice that might be building up. But all that said, I hope this was helpful, and I hope you have a wonderful day.